Hi everyone, I'm Josh, one of the plant doctors here at Moana Nursery on Pyramid Way, and today I'm going to be talking about pre-emergent herbicides. Now, there's many ways of removing weeds, but hand pulling is very laborious, and some tools like propane flame weeders are very expensive. Generally, the most effective and cost-efficient way of stopping weeds is preventing them in the first place. Pre-emergent herbicides are weed killers that either prevent or stop seeds immediately after germination. Many herbicides only have post-emergent weed control properties and need to be applied on actively growing plants for them to be effective. At Moana Nursery, we have a few different options for pre-emergent herbicides. For example, Bonide Weed Beater Complete and IFA Crabgrass Preventer both use Barricade as a pre-emergent herbicide. Barricade is best to use early in spring before any of the weeds have started growing. But if you miss that window a little bit, then Dimension is a great option because it offers both post and pre-emergent control properties. And then lastly, we have Treflan, which is a good option if you need to use an herbicide in or around your vegetable garden or your flower beds. Most pre-emergent herbicides need water to be activated, and we'll recommend rain or irrigation 24 to 48 hours after application. If you need to apply your herbicide, but there's no rain in the forecast, you can always water it in using a sprinkler, water wand, or any other manual irrigation method. Every herbicide formulation is a little different, and it's very important that you read each label in its entirety before use. All of the herbicides that we offer are granular in form, so a great tool for applying them in your yard is a hand broadcast spreader like this. Some pre-emergent herbicides are even packaged as multi-purpose products like the AFA Crabgrass Preventer and Lawn Food, allowing you to kill two birds with one stone, feed your lawn, and prevent the weeds in the same application. So if your back is tired and your hands are sore from pulling weeds, come down to Moana Nursery and pick up some pre-emergent herbicide. As always, if you have any questions, please give us a call.